Meet the next generation of fire with the CampStove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the CampStove 2 provides 50% more power than the CampStove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the CampStove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
You may have heard, we recently launched our 5th Kickstarter. It's called the Ninox FlatLay Hammock. And you might be wondering if this FlatLay hammock works with your Nube. Well, it does. And really nicely, I might add. When you're pairing up your Nube with the Ninox, all you have to do is remove the mesh. The incorporated ridgeline will keep your arch perfect while you're in the Nube. Of course, the Puffle works great. And the Inferno, well, it was literally made for the Ninox. If you've got a second coming along, simply remove the ridgeline and go hammock style. Just grab your Explorer hammock and clip it in. Then you're good to go. It's no accident. We want our gear to be as versatile as your adventures.
This is the Mach 1.
Introducing the Mach 1 Compact Framed Hammock. With the benefits of a hammock and with portability of a quad chair, the Mach 1 gives you the comfort and relaxation of hammocking anywhere at any time. Where will you mock? No need to find trees, be an expert at tying rope, or an acrobat to get in or out. The Mach 1 makes getting out there and hammocking so easy and comfortable, you'll search for cool places to mock.
The Mach 1 can be used anywhere and under any conditions when paired with the Mach accessories. This Mach shade keeps the sun off of your face and is included with every Mach 1. This underquilt helps to prevent the common cold butt syndrome. The quilt also comes with this attachable pillow. This top quilt attaches right to the hammock so that it doesn't slip off. The top is waterproof and there's even a pocket for my feet. The mosquito net gives 100% protection from bugs and other creepy crawlies. It also has pockets for me to hold everything that I need. The Mach tarp provides cover from rain and snow, as well as providing shade and privacy.
We looked at the entire marketplace of what was currently available, and nothing was right. Everything had flaws. Too tippy, too large, too heavy, uncomfortable, poor quality. Just not awesome. And here we are, after years of user-centered design.
Testing, refining, and engineering, we did it.
We did it.
We patented the world's only compact frame hammock. We call it the Mach 1.
And part of the process was scouring the world looking for the perfect manufacturing partner. And we found them, and now we're launching the product into the world.
So get your Mach 1 today and support the project to help make it a success.
And make happy.
Make happy.
In any position, any temperature, anywhere. We invite you to back our project and join our peaceful little rebellion today.
RhinoWolf is a modular, attachable what do I call it? Not a tent, because it's so much better than a tent. It's a modular attachable RhinoWolf. Because there's nothing like it. RhinoWolf is amazingly built. Every seam is precise. The fabric is the strongest possible, with extra thought to the weight. With all those right materials and a built-in sleeping bag and mattress, RhinoWolf weighs only 5 pounds. That's at least 2 pounds less than carrying a sleeping bag, mattress, and tent separately. And you also don't look like a snail when carrying it. Ha! Look at that snail man. Snail man! RhinoWolf also weighs less than other all-in-one tents, but it's also better than them, because it's not a tent, it's a RhinoWolf. RhinoWolf has a main arch that gives the entire structure its solid strength and allows for straight sides, which enables great airflow and a fit for the human body. You're human, right? Yeah, you are. RhinoWolf can withstand very low temperatures and feels very cool in warm ones. Of course, it's windproof, rainproof, and bugproof. It's a Rhino, it's strong. And yes, it also comes in pink. RhinoWolf can pull off any color. To set up RhinoWolf, you just use one pole. Yeah, one. That's less than any other number. Just push the pole through the sleeve and you're done. Now, thanks to the RhinoWolf arch, you can easily attach your incredible RhinoWolf to other incredible RhinoWolves and create a pack of RhinoWolves. Get it? A RhinoWolf pack.
Introducing Bite Helper. Bite Helper is the itch terminator. Mosquitoes can ruin anyone's day. When a mosquito bites, it injects its saliva into your blood. That's what causes the itch and makes you scratch.
A mosquito bit me.
Show me.
It itches.
Don't worry, I've got Bite Helper.
Bite Helper's thermal pulse technology works on neutralizing the itch with heat and vibration. Bite Helper can stop the itch.
Macro Pack, the world's first lunchbox to supercharge your healthy lifestyle. This beautifully designed lunchbox is built with a compact, re-engineered digital scale to help you measure your caloric intake for every meal. Macro Pack is more than just a lunchbox. It's a new way of taking control of what you eat. We've innovated on the standard kitchen scale to allow you to carry around a digital scale and prepare healthy meals for your busy lifestyle. The work of meal prep and calorie counting, at least in the beginning, is often really hard for most of us. It can be overwhelming to build so many new habits in our real day-to-day lives. We hope to change that for you and everyone else trying to achieve their dieting goals. We custom designed the scale to fit perfectly in the macro pack. You can remove it to prep your meals. The scale features customized buttons that specifically weighs each of the removable containers to get the exact measurements of your meals. Studies have shown when macros are customized, people can lose between 2% and 5% body fat and an average of 10 pounds in just the first month. With the Macro Pack, you'll have everything you need to create and enjoy healthy meals every day. The Macro Pack is made from 100% BPA-safe material and eco-friendly bamboo melamine. The containers are easy to clean, safe to freeze, and microwavable. They are perfect for packing leftovers to freshly prepared meals and everything in between.
New for 2016, Wenzel Portico tents combine function and convenience for the perfect campground getaway. Available in a 6-person or 8-person version, the Portico offers plenty features both inside and out. A shock-corded fiberglass frame with fast feet makes setup a breeze. The extra-large awning allows campers to lounge in the shade or enjoy some added protection for if the weather takes a turn. Mesh pockets on the exterior of the tent allow you to easily organize and keep essentials accessible. If you want to plug in, the E-port allows electrical cord access. The large D-style doors make entry and exit into the spacious interior hassle-free. Each tent comes with both a gear loft and several convenience pockets. For your next camping adventure, the Portico has everything you need to make the outdoors even better.